Welcome, mathematicians. Tonight we're going to talk about place value up to 10 million. So the learning targets for this are that I can count by 10,000s and 100,000s up to 10 million. I can use place value charts to show numbers up to 10 million. And I can read and write numbers up to 10 million in standard and word form. So the question we have here is how many different ways can we write this number? Well, the important thing to do is to look to see how many of each counter we have in each column. So in the ones place, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. We have 8 ones. I'm going to try and write that again. We have 8 ones. We have 2 tens. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 hundreds, 1,000s, 3 10,000s, and 2, 4, 6, 800,000s. So if we were to write this number in standard form, that just means regular digits, it would be 831,828. And we see we put a comma in between the thousands and the hundreds to help us read the number a little bit better. Now we could also write this number out in word form. So let's try this one. So we'll start with a capital letter. We have 830 dash, we have to put the dash in there, 31,000, and just like in the number form we need a comma, 831,800, and now we have 20 dash, again, 8. So let's look to see if we did this right. 831,000, comma, 828. Awesome. So we can't forget those dash marks in between the tens place and the ones place, or the 10,000s place and the thousands place, when there is a number between 20 and 99 and there's no zero in the thousands or the ones place. 831,828. Now if I also wanted to, I could write this number in expanded form where I write the value of each digit as a sum. So first we have 800,000 because that's what this 8 represents. We could add 30,000 because that's what this 3 represents. We could add a 1,000 because that's what the 1 in the thousands place represents. We could add then 800 because that's what this 8 represents. We could add 20 and then finally 8. So that would be expanded form. So we've written this number in 3 different forms, and we've shown it in 4 forms, including our place value chart. All right, so every digit has a place and a value. The place is where the number is located on the place value chart, either in the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands place. The value is what the digit is worth. So we are going to write the value of each of these digits. So here in the ones place, we have the digit 9, and it is worth 9. It's 9 ones, so it's worth 9. Now in the tens place, we have the digit 1. Well, if we have 1 10, that means we have 10 altogether. Now in the hundreds place, we have a 0. Its value, 0. In the thousands place, we have a 5. So if we have a 5 in the thousands place, that means its value is 5,000. And if we have a 2 in the tens thousands place, its value is 20,000. And a 6 in the hundreds thousands place means its value is 600,000. So writing the value of each of these means that we are able to then figure out what each digit is worth. All right, here are some fun riddles. Use all of the following digits to create a 6-digit number. Do not start with 0. Here are the different numbers I want. What's the greatest possible number we can make? What's the least even number you can make? What's the greatest odd number you can make? And what is a number less than 300,000 you can make? Bring in these 4 numbers on a Post-it tomorrow with your name. Can't wait to see what you came up with.